If you think 4 times 20 plus 10 is a math problem, wait until you find out it's actually how the French say 90.
Yeah, French numbers do that. And if you've ever frozen mid-sentence trying to say 87, you're not alone.
Every other language just counts. But French decided 70 to 99 needed to be a puzzle.
This is the exact point where most learners give up, or start avoiding numbers in conversation altogether.
But once you see the pattern, it clicks instantly, and you'll never mix it up again.
So let's break this down, step by step. Starting with 70.
70 in French is soixante-dix, literally 60-10. So instead of a new word, you just keep adding on to 60.
71 is soixante-onze and 11. 72 is soixante-douze, 60-12. See the pattern? See the pattern?
There's 70 to 79. All the way up to 79, you're just adding French numbers 11 through 19 onto 60. So
Now here's where it gets interesting. 80 is quatre-vingts, 20, literally 4 20s. Because historically, French used a base 20 counting system, so 80 is just 4 sets of 20. 81 is quatre-vingt-un. 82 is quatre-vingt-deux. You're just counting up from 80 now. And 90? You guessed it, quatre-vingt-dix. 4 20s plus 10. Well, did you know that in French, 91 is quatre-vingt-onze? And 99 is literally 420 10 9. That is quatre-vingt-dix-neuf for you. It sounds like a mouthful at first, but it's just layering numbers you already know. So to recap, 70s add on to 60, but it's just layering numbers is 4 20s. 90s add 10 to that.
once this clicks, you'll never hesitate on a French number again.
Try saying 95 out loud right now. Comment your answer below. I'll tell you if you got it right.
Seriously, drop 95 in French in the comments. I read every single one. And reply.
If this made French numbers finally make sense, subscribe. I'm breaking down one confusing French rule every single week.
And if you're ready to actually get conversational, watch this next video where I show you how to use these numbers in real French conversations.